This is the city of Fort Augustus. It's a tourist destination on the Caledonian Canal, right as it comes up to Loch Ness. So people come here from all over to see the Loch Ness monster. I arrived here by e-bike on the trail. It was very bike friendly and beautiful weather out in May, and got here at just the right time. They were operating this flight of 5 gates in the canal. It took maybe an hour, hour and a half to go through the entire set of locks, and most of the people here were on leisure boats, just here on vacation traveling the canal. You can see how this is such a great historical piece of engineering and how these projects were made in the past. Honestly, this is the best sort of vacation for me. Sitting around with people from the town with ice cream cone in hand, just watching these huge gates open very slowly. I don't know if you get a sense of that from this video, but it's a very slow process, and it just brings you back to that time in history. When I'm at a site like this and there is someone there to ask questions, I tend to go up to the operator and ask about construction projects or rehabilitation. This guy didn't know much, but I Googled it later and found that in 2020 they finished a massive rehabilitation effort that cost £5.3 million to replace a few gates and to also rehabilitate some of the gates in place. So this was the really fun part. It was at the very end of the flight where they take the road, that was a road seconds before, and they begin to swing it on a set of bearings with these motors. And so you can kind of see all the kids come and they're watching this happen and this road swing around. Even the adults are amazed by it. And it really is this like finale of the boats coming through the locks. There's not a whole lot else to do in the city. One of the shops has this little museum where you can go and read about the engineering of the canal. Before hydraulics were fitted in the 1960s, they used to open these gates with the capstan that you're seeing here. It took men with oars into the holes, turning it 7 times to get it to open and close. It was hard work, I'm sure.
swirling up here. It's coming out from the, I guess from the bottom of the gate, from some leaky seals. But that seems like a lot of water. I'm sure there's some pressure transients that come through here. Let's get a closer look at this seal. I thought it said chill all of yesterday, but it says there's a seal down there and they spell it differently here.